My name is Ramakrishna. I am the owner of the Stair lift for the past 7 years. My father-in-law was over 80 years old and required a stair lift for climbing the stairs as he could not climb it on his own. So as a result, I purchased the stair lift. Zeroed in on a stair lift because the installation is fairly quick and there are less civil interventions required in the house. So I went about searching for a stair lift dealer on the internet. Elite Elevators right from the outset were very friendly, courteous. Their service was excellent. The product was installed without any fuss, and it was almost seamless, and we started using the stair lift very easily. The lift was installed, I would say, with perfection. We had absolutely no inconvenience. It was seamless, and we started using the lift straight away once it was installed. As I said, my father-in-law required the stair lift, so he was using the stair lift, without which he could not have gone upstairs in the house. And his room was located upstairs, so he had to use the stair lift frequently to move up and down the stairs. So it was very useful. It was a necessity in our house, and it served its purpose. The stair lift is very safe to use. It has a belt, and its movement also is very steady and stable, which is very secure for a very old person also to use.